All right. Since when did the proper way of generating leads online become known as growth hack marketing?
Online marketing, digital marketing, growth hack marketing, inbound marketing. What's the difference? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to make growth hack marketing work for your business. For the best online tech hacks for bloggers and small business owners, be sure to click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload a brand new video every Wednesday. I'm Kate Murray, and after spending 14 years as a digital strategist working in corporate and agency marketing, I've seen one too many business owners struggle to get it right. And that's why I'm sharing these tips with you so that you can get your online business set up right the first time. So, what's the difference between growth hack marketing and all these other forms of digital marketing? No. There's no difference. If digital marketing is done right, it is growth hack marketing. In order to get growth hack marketing or digital marketing right, you've got to understand the buyer's journey and who you're talking to. The biggest mistake I see people make is they create a Facebook ad and direct people to an offer.
Digital marketing, or growth hack marketing, is not just about creating an online ad for your product or service. Most people who teach about online marketing and advertising will tell you to target your ideal customer. But if you do that, you are actually missing out on the most important part of the process. In order to be successful, you need to clearly understand how to map your offer to the exact stage of the buyer's journey. What is a buyer's journey? Here's a quick example. If you market a decision stage offer, even if it's only a $10, a $20, or a $50 product, to a cold audience, you'll never get any conversions.
The reason this doesn't work is because typically Facebook is a cold audience. If you're marketing to that cold audience, those people are not ready to open up their wallet and buy because they're just getting to know you. They don't trust you yet.
Tip number 1, if you use an online ad and you're marketing to a cold audience, in other words, you're targeting new customers and not people who are already on your email list, make sure you are marketing a lead magnet and not your actual product or service.
The difference is that there's a framework, a methodology, and you've got to follow that methodology. Otherwise, you're not going to get results.
In order to optimize for conversion, you've got to start at the very beginning. Tip number 2. Be sure you have a full indoctrination sequence set up to help new leads get to know you. The most powerful and profitable strategy is to over-deliver value before you attempt to sell people something. So, what exactly does indoctrinate mean? Now that someone has given you permission to email them, you must effectively use a series of emails to teach them the following. Who are you? What do you stand for? Why are you different? What should they expect from you? How often, and what should they do next? Tip number 3, do not send people directly to an order form. You need to have a sales page in between. Why? Because a sales page gives you the opportunity to clearly illustrate the problem your product or service ultimately solves. Tip 4, not only do you measure the data, you've got to react quickly within the first 24 to 48 hours. Often, this is what separates a true growth hacker from a regular digital marketer. If you're able to make decisions and revise your strategy quickly based on what the metrics are telling you, then you can effectively grow your online revenue with digital marketing. Are you considering a digital product to test out this growth hacking strategy? If so, tell me about it in the comments below. Now that you've got a broad understanding of the framework, what's your next step? Sign up for my free email masterclass. I'll send you an email a day for 5 days. We'll dive deep into how to put this methodology into action.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe because next week I'll be talking all about how to create the perfect sales page that converts your website visitors into buyers. See you next time.